Today you're going to do a scientific method virtual lab. This is the assignment on Canvas. So you're going to need to read the directions carefully, but I'm going to try to give you a little bit of a help by giving you a video. You're going to go down to the scientific method virtual lab, the link right there. You'll see that it's right down here too. When you click on this, it's going to open up for you. You should be able to, in your Canvas, when you open this, you should be able to write directly on it in that box below that we just looked at. Here is, I can't write on this, but this is the PDF. I'm going to click on this link here, and this will take me to the lab. This is what the lab looks like. What you're trying to do, how is a controlled experiment performed? You're going to need to read this part here. You're not going to print anything, but you're going to read all of this here. I'm just going to tell you this all has to do with color and temperature. You're going to look at color, types of materials. You're going to put them in these boxes. I'm just going to put 2 to show you. Once I do that, I'm going to test it. What I'm looking for is the temperature. How hot does this material get in the sun? So after 5 minutes, it tells me this was the temperature. So you would take the average temperature from each one and determine which one would be better to wear if you wanted to be warm, or which one would be better to wear if you wanted to be cold. So you need to read the questions on the lab to determine what to answer. When we look at this document, it says, what is the problem you're trying to solve? It'll tell you in the directions when you read it. What is the predicted hypothesis? So on and so forth. When you get down here to the table, you're going to put in the temperature. That's what the C is for, Celsius. So when you do a black wool coat, what might your temperature be? Blue, green, yellow, white, and wool, and nylon, and denim. You're going to do all of those and enter those temperatures. When you're done, you're going to graph based upon what they told you. They said wool, nylon, denim, and here's your colors. You're going to continue down here until you complete the entire lab. On the graphing, if you cannot make it happen by using some kind of draw tool, you can go ahead and do the graph on a different doc, and you can create a doc however you wish, whether it be through Excel or however. I just need the lab to be complete by making sure the graph is completed. If you need additional assistance, let me know.